GM team! Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Fartcoin. Let's talk about yesterday versus today because our setup was absolutely nailed. We saw a range break, an almost negative 10% dump, and then a beautiful bullish bounce exactly at my weekly Ichimoku level. Congratulations to everyone who took the shorts. You're playing the market with precision. The lower time frame is now in a neutral zone, so here's what to watch for. If bulls reclaim the trend line and $6,350, our target is $6,800 to $7,000. But if we see a rejection below $6,350, the lower highs will be intact and another leg down is likely. Remember, we trade levels, not hopium. And if you like this masterclass, can we see 100 plus likes on this video? Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.